Hello and welcome to PeopleCert Scrum Master I certification training program from One World Training. About One World Training. We are a global training company having our offices in the USA, UK, the Netherlands, India, Malaysia, United Arab Emirates, South Africa, and many other countries globally. We provide training in IT, business management, project management, ISO standards, GDPR, and many other trainings for individuals as well as organizations. One World Training delivers its courses in 5 ways: public classroom-based, online from home or work, e-learning, a blended approach of self-paced e-learning, with in-person support for instructions, or at the user's location with on-site team training for private and government organizations. Note that the online classes are virtual online with a live instructor, whereas e-learning is a self-learning. And we also have the blended approach, which is the combination of self-paced e-learning along with support from instructor. One World Training is an authorized training center endorsed by leading global professional bodies, such as PeopleCert. About myself, my name is Muralidhar Gadam, in short, Murali. I'm a certified trainer and course advisor for ITIL 4, PMP, Prince 2, MSP, which is Managing Successful Programs, and also Scrum Master certifications from Exin and PeopleCert. I'm also certified in Verism, Service Management for the Digital Age, and as well as DevOps. PMP is the Project Management Professional course from PMI USA, and Prince 2 is the Project in Controlled Environments course from Axelos in the UK. I have over 25 years of experience in IT, including project management, service management, and worked with teams across the world, such as the USA, Western Europe, Canada, Southeast Asia, and Australia, though I'm from India. I use my real-world work experience to deliver my trainings. I've supported diverse industries, such as telecom, retail, etc., in leading Tier 1 global organizations. I'm a computer engineer by education, also a certified corporate trainer and a coach. I have expertise in IT service management, software, project and program management. Though this course has been prepared by One World Training and presented to you, the content is owned by PeopleCert, and they are copyrighted by PeopleCert. PeopleCert is a global leader in certification. They offer web and paper-based exams in several languages, as many as 25. They are associated with several ATOs or accredited training organizations, as many as 2,000 worldwide, delivering exams across 200 countries every year, and their portfolio of exams is more than 500 and still growing. We see here at the bottom, they offer certifications on behalf of Axelos, DevOps, Digital Marketing Institute, IASSC for Six Sigma, ISACA for Information Security, Language Cert, Lean IT Association, Quality Software Development, and ECDL for computer literacy globally. The PeopleCert Scrum is in 2 levels, Scrum 1 and Scrum 2, Scrum 2 being the advanced course. This particular course is for Scrum 1. It is a closed book exam lasting an hour, 60 minutes. Those who are writing the exam in a non-native language, for example, writing the exam in English, and English is not their native spoken language, they would be given 15 minutes additional on top of the 60 minutes. The exam has 40 questions. They're all multiple choice with no negative marking and 1 mark per question. And the pass score is 28 from the 40. The course agenda is as follows. We have several modules beginning with Module 1, an introduction to Agile project management. Module 2, an introduction to Scrum as an Agile framework, followed by Module 3, which is an introduction to the Scrum framework. Note that Module 2 introduces Scrum as an Agile framework, whereas Module 3 goes into detail about the Scrum framework. Module 4 is about the Scrum roles. 5 is about multi-level planning. 6, preparing the product, which is the planning level. Module 7 Scrum artifacts, module 8, iteration or sprint level planning. Number 9, staying in control with information radiators. Module number 10, introduction to scale Scrum. And we also have some additional information which is not part of the exam syllabus, and those are about the Scrum rules. For your information, this is the PeopleCert website at peoplecert.org. In your e-learning access, you will also find the syllabus for the exam and one sample paper official for the exam as well. We will run you through the sample questions anyway in the various modules. But let us first take a look into the syllabus document for the exam. This is the syllabus for the PeopleCert Scrum Master I exam. It has sections such as introduction, explaining to you about what this certification is about, and the qualification structure such as PeopleCert Scrum Master I, and this is the course we are in right now. PeopleCert Scrum Masters II, which is a separate course with its own exam, and then coming soon, PeopleCert Scrum Product Owner. And eventually you will find the detailed syllabus, which you will find there are 8 items as part of the syllabus, and all the 8 syllabus items are covered in our training program under those various modules. So in total, we have 10 modules which cover all the 8 syllabus items. The marks allocation is depending on the topics for the exam. So if you look at the 8 syllabus items in this table, we've got different allocation of marks for each of those topics. And we will make this very clear to you as we proceed from one module to another. And we also link each module with each of these syllabus topics, meaning we have got 10 modules to cover, and those 10 modules will be covered in these 8 syllabus topics. As mentioned earlier, we will also take you through the official sample questions at the end of each module. This official paper has 40 questions, and all of them are multiple choice, carrying 1 mark per question and 28 required to pass from the 40. So if you notice here, question number 1 has 4 options, and one of them would be a correct option or the correct answer. Some questions would be fill in the blank, such as question number 5, where you have to fill in the blank using one of the 4 options below it. Sometimes you may have a negative type of question. For example, question number 9, which of the following is not one of them? And the last type of question is question number 13, wherein you have been given 4 options and you have to select 2 from the 4. And then therefore your answer would be either A or B or C or D, which is a collection of at least 2 items. And that brings us to the end of introduction to this course, PeopleCert Scrum Master I. I hope you like the introduction, but very soon we will be getting into an exciting journey of learning Scrum.